Welcome, dear viewers, to the fascinating world beneath our skin. Today, we embark on a journey to uncover the marvels of the integumentary system. This remarkable system, often overlooked, is our first line of defense against the outside world. It acts as a shield, a sensor, and a regulator, all while contributing to our unique appearance. The integumentary system encompasses the skin, hair, nails, and glands. Each component plays a vital role in maintaining the body's internal balance. Imagine for a moment life without this intricate system. We would be vulnerable to injury, infection, and extreme temperatures. Our journey begins with the skin, the largest organ of the human body. It's a dynamic, ever-changing landscape that protects us from the elements and houses a network of sensory receptors. From the hairs that sprout from its surface to the nails that adorn our fingertips, each element of the integumentary system contributes to our well-being in remarkable ways. Join me now as we delve deeper into this hidden world, uncovering the secrets of this remarkable cloak that envelops us. Our exploration begins with the skin, a resilient barrier that safeguards our internal organs. This remarkable organ, far from being a simple covering, is composed of three distinct layers: the epidermis, the dermis, and the subcutaneous tissue. The epidermis, the outermost layer, is our first line of defense. It's a constantly renewing layer with dead cells sloughing off and new cells taking their place. This continuous process ensures that our skin remains an effective barrier against harmful microorganisms. Beneath the epidermis lies the dermis, a thicker layer that provides structural support. The dermis is home to a network of blood vessels that nourish the skin. It also contains hair follicles, sweat glands, and sensory receptors, highlighting the dynamic nature of this layer. Finally, we reach the subcutaneous tissue, the deepest layer of the skin. Composed primarily of fat, this layer acts as an insulator, helping to regulate body temperature. It also serves as a cushion, protecting our bones and muscles from impact. These three layers work in perfect harmony, providing a formidable barrier against the outside world. The skin, in its intricate complexity, exemplifies the elegance and efficiency of nature's design. Emerging from the skin's surface, we encounter hair and nails, often overlooked but essential components of the integumentary system. These structures, though seemingly simple, play crucial roles in protection and sensory perception. Hair, composed of a protein called keratin, covers most of the human body. While its distribution varies, its function remains consistent: protection. On our heads, hair shields us from the sun's harmful rays. Eyebrows and eyelashes prevent dust and debris from entering our eyes. Even the fine hairs that cover our bodies provide a layer of insulation and enhance our sense of touch. Nails, also composed of keratin, serve as protective plates for our fingertips and toes. These hard structures safeguard the delicate tissues beneath, enabling us to grasp objects with precision and protecting our digits from injury. The rapid growth of nails allows for quick repair, ensuring their continued functionality. While hair and nails are often viewed as purely cosmetic features, their evolutionary significance is undeniable. They are testaments to nature's ingenuity, providing both protection and enhanced sensory perception. Functions of the integumentary system. The integumentary system, as we've discovered, is far from a simple covering. It's a dynamic system with a multitude of functions, each crucial for our survival. Let's delve deeper into the remarkable ways in which this system safeguards our well-being and supports our overall health. First and foremost, the integumentary system acts as a barrier. The skin, with its layered structure, prevents the entry of harmful microorganisms and protects our internal organs from injury. This barrier function is paramount to our survival, shielding us from the constant bombardment of potential pathogens in our environment. Additionally, the skin's acidic pH and antimicrobial peptides further enhance its protective capabilities, creating an inhospitable environment for many harmful invaders. Beyond protection, the integumentary system plays a vital role in regulating body temperature. Through the processes of sweating and blood vessel dilation or constriction, the skin helps maintain a stable internal environment. This thermoregulation ensures that our body temperature remains within a narrow range, essential for the optimal functioning of our organs. The sweat glands, by releasing moisture, help cool the body, while the blood vessels adjust their diameter to either release or conserve heat, showcasing the skin's adaptability to varying conditions. Furthermore, the integumentary system serves as a sensory organ, allowing us to perceive the world around us. Sensory receptors embedded within the skin detect touch, pressure, temperature, and pain. This information is relayed to the brain, enabling us to react appropriately to our surroundings. These sensory inputs are crucial for our daily interactions and safety, helping us navigate and respond to our environment effectively. Finally, the skin plays a crucial role in vitamin D synthesis. When exposed to sunlight, the skin produces vitamin D, a vital nutrient for bone health and immune function. This process highlights the interconnectedness of our bodily systems and the importance of sunlight for overall well-being. Vitamin D not only supports bone density, but also plays a role in modulating the immune system, showcasing the skin's contribution to our holistic health. Tiny wonders, accessory organs of the integumentary system. Our exploration of the integumentary system would be incomplete without acknowledging the crucial role of its accessory organs. These organs, though small, play significant roles in maintaining the health and functionality of our skin. These tiny wonders, embedded within the skin, work tirelessly to maintain its integrity and support its diverse functions. They are essential in ensuring that our skin remains a robust barrier against external threats. Oil glands, also known as sebaceous glands, secrete sebum, an oily substance that lubricates the skin and hair. This lubrication is crucial for preventing dryness and brittleness. Sebum prevents excessive water loss, keeping the skin supple and hydrated. By forming a thin protective layer, it helps to lock in moisture. It also possesses antimicrobial properties, providing an additional layer of defense against infection. This means that sebum not only keeps our skin moisturized, but also helps to fend off harmful microorganisms. Sweat glands, on the other hand, produce sweat, a watery secretion that helps regulate body temperature. This thermoregulatory function is vital for maintaining homeostasis. When our body temperature rises, sweat glands release sweat onto the skin's surface. This process is a natural response to overheating. As the sweat evaporates, it cools the skin, preventing overheating. This cooling effect is essential for keeping our body temperature within a safe range. Sensory receptors scattered throughout the skin provide us with a constant stream of information about our surroundings. They are our skin's way of communicating with the brain. These specialized nerve endings detect various stimuli, including touch, pressure, temperature, and pain, allowing us to navigate and interact with our environment. They are crucial for our sense of touch and overall sensory perception. These accessory organs, though often invisible to the naked eye, are testaments to the complexity and efficiency of the integumentary system. They work behind the scenes to keep our skin healthy and functional. They highlight the interconnectedness of our bodily systems and the remarkable ways in which they work together to maintain our health. The integumentary system, with its accessory organs, is a perfect example of this intricate collaboration. And thus, we conclude our exploration of the integumentary system and its accessory organs. This intricate network of skin, hair, nails and glands plays a vital role in protecting and maintaining our health. For estheticians, understanding these components is key to providing effective treatments and offering knowledgeable advice to clients. Thank you for joining us on the Esthetician's Notebook. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to continue our journey together. Until next time, take care and keep learning about the skin.